got the Schwinn 430 elliptical for free without a power cord. And as you can see, there's a picture, there it is, it's working. I bought 2 cords off Amazon just in case one didn't work. I bought, this one worked, it was the second one I tried. And there's this information that came off Amazon, and it said that this one worked as well, but it did not. And this information is here. This one does not work. So if you want to get cheap Schwinn replacement parts, power cord here, get the white pundit one. Thanks for watching.